Welcome, today in front of me new iPad Air 2022 and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by triple press the power key button you can see that I can activate the assistive touch here, and for example to disable this feature, just to have now some options, one will just press triple the power key button. We should go here into the settings, tap to the accessibility and scroll down to the accessibility shortcut, and now just tap here on the assistive touch just to don't use this feature. And now as can you see we have now here selected any shortcuts, and now by triple press to our power key you can see that we just can't open any applications or we can just do any actions. So that's it, that's how to disable quick launch on now one new iPad Air 2022. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.